High-temperature steam treatment using the right steam treatment DIY pest control products kills bedbugs, eggs, and fleas on contact without chemicals. Choose a low-moisture professional-grade steamer with upholstery attachments and adjustable temperature controls to minimize wetting while reaching lethal surface temperatures. Aim for steam that delivers surfaces of at least 140 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 to 3 seconds to ensure lethal exposure while moving slowly enough that the heat soaks seams and tufts. Test on an inconspicuous fabric first to avoid damage. Use narrow nozzles and small round brushes to push steam into mattress seams, baseboard cracks, box spring edges, furniture joints, electrical outlet surrounds after shutting power, and along curtain hems. Work methodically in grid patterns so no area is skipped, overlapping passes slightly, and keeping the nozzle a few millimeters from fabric to prevent soaking. After steaming, immediately use a high-capacity vacuum on treated areas to remove dead insects and eggs and any dislodged debris, emptying the canister into a sealed bag outside the home. Combine steam with mattress encasements and sticky monitoring traps to capture survivors and monitor reappearance, and retreat targeted hotspots within 7 to 10 days since eggs can hatch after initial treatment. Common mistakes include moving too quickly over surfaces, which fails to deliver lethal contact heat, so slow your pace and keep the nozzle steady until the material warms. Another error is using a high-moisture household steam mop that soaks materials and promotes mold, so choose a low-moisture unit designed for upholstery. Finally, people often treat only visible areas and miss baseboards, tufts, and electrical outlets, so focus on seams, folds, box spring edges, furniture joints, and wall perimeters, and follow up with encasements and traps to catch survivors. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors and find community advice that relates directly to treating infestations and home cleaning projects. We provide a discussion community where we and other members share experiences, product tips, and referrals, and we help contractors find local work and homeowners find qualified contacts for follow-up services.